Paraffin Anywhere, with its mobility and dripless brush, enables delightfully warm, occlusive paraffin mask treatments anytime, anywhere. This patented self-heating tool delivers our exclusive blend of medical-grade paraffin infused with Swiss apple stem cell technology, both white and green tea extract, and powerful vitamin antioxidants A, B, C, and E. Elevate your client's experience with age-defying manicures and pedicures, with signature facials including the décolletage and hands, or spot applications on the back, elbows, knees, on eczema, psoriasis, or literally anywhere. You will add water just to the fill line in the portable base cup here. Place 1 mineral sachet in the bottom of the base cup. Be sure to reseal the sachet bag to keep the minerals dry and potent for your next treatment. Steamy heat begins almost immediately. Quickly remove the lid from the Paraffin Anywhere tin and snap it securely into the base cup. Once activated, your Paraffin Anywhere treatment melts in under 2 minutes. Seeing melted paraffin around the edges means it's ready for application. No need to wait until it melts fully. It will melt completely and stay liquid for up to 30 minutes. Use the dripless brush provided to apply paraffin to the desired treatment area. First, make a light initial layer on the treatment area, then add as many layers as you like, building the heated occlusive mask to penetrate any active topicals or serums you have decided to apply. Once the mask cools, the medical-grade paraffin will simply peel off in a clean sheet. Benefits of Paraffin Anywhere include an occlusive thermal application that accelerates molecular action and drives penetration of all serums and active skincare topicals. Easy, clean removal in one sheet, leaving working hands with no oily residue. The knowledge of knowing you are providing your clients with the world's finest medical-grade paraffin moisturizer. It's better than lotion, and it does not rinse off. Best of all, clients leave with a microscopic protective layer that lasts 48 hours to shield their skin from the drying, damaging effects of wind and water.
Spa Revolutions stands at the forefront of thermal wellness solutions in our professional beauty industry. The entire thermaBliss collection is dedicated to empowering credentialed practitioners who share our mutual passion for enhancing the client experience. Globally, over 4,000 leading spas and salons use thermaBliss self-heating and self-cooling tools to improve outcomes, delight clients, and increase profits.